I'm going to be breaking my staff. I just recently made my first staff recently, and it's going to go through its very first durability test. The staff I've made here is an oak staff with silicone tubing. The whole diameter comes out to 26 millimeters. The balls I'm using are actually rubber dog balls. These do come in the heaviest version that I'm using, which makes the staff quite bouncy. Also, if you're wondering how much the whole staff weighs in total, I'm afraid I don't have scales yet, and yes, I will get some, fear not. Drop test. Very bouncy. Okay, pretty good. So this test is because when you're spinning staff, you will always be dropping it. So there is a reason for these tests I'm doing, by the way. I want to see if I can like bounce it over me. It's doing alright. Yay. It's okay. I'd say it did alright. Nah. We kind of kick it up. That's sick. Nice. Very, very bouncy. Probably because it's oak. Anyways, test number 2. You've seen me beat my balls up against the wall many times, so let's do this. I'm not counting how many times. Ooh. I think it's coming a little bit of damage. So that was not like that before. Might take that off a bit later, but it's got to happen to the other side as well. Oh, hello. Well, indeed it came off. It came off indeed. It could not survive. We're not done yet. We're not actually done yet. I mean, let's quickly just do the pull-out test. So I survived the pull-out test. That was on the ball, which is good, and not the ball, which is obviously broken. But yeah, 4th test, because this staff is very bendy. I'd quite like to see if I can snap it with ease. Let's see how easily it will snap. I don't even know if this camera's facing me. Cool. Ah. Okay. Okay. Ah, we got a crack. Cool. So I'll show the crack here. It did indeed get cracked. Silicone does protect it though, so that is nice. But that is kind of a written off staff. So if you were to bend it like I just did there, it will crack. But let's see if I can still spin it. I mean, you can still use it. Like, this is after the beating I've given it, by the way. That'll do. Well, that was his first durability test, and I can still spin it kind of okay. Actually, I could still spin it, so even if I did break it. So yeah.